Happy April Fool's Day, everybody. Oh, Lord. Alright, so what I want to do is I wanted to review this 4-pill base cabinet that they have new. Be it right here, which is going to be awesome for 2 pills. It has the option. You have the option of a 4-pill board or a 1x2 board. I option for the 4-pill board, 92mm fan. I option for the 4-pill board, just because I think that maybe it's got a larger heat sink. Plus, I don't know. Just figure it's got the bigger heat sink on it, so that'd be great. I'm going to build a 2-pill base in this. I've been building them in the PS100 power supply boxes, but I've seen this, so I said, you know what? Let me get one. Let me try it out. Does have the holes already drilled for the board. Just a little bit away, but I think by the time that goes up there, it'd be fine. Now, it also comes with the power cord receptacle and on-off switch, which is going to be in the back of the cabinet. Okay, so the on-off switch will be in the back of the cabinet. It will not be up here in the front. It's cool. I was wondering why they had the big opening here and what to get for it, but you know what? I read it and it said it came with the power cord receptacle and a power cord. I don't know how long the power cord is. I have no idea. But here it is. See how long that joker is. It is like 3 foot. 3 foot long. Of course, with this, there's no problem hooking an extension cord into this because the amp draw is going to be very minimal. Now, let's see. Let's grab a power supply out here. There's absolutely no way that you can use this for 4-pill. The holes are already drilled for the power supply, and I like that they have 4 holes. I wish they would do that on the other base cabinets also. But yeah, let's see. Okay, so that's cool. That means the AC part is going to be on the bottom. There's more room in here than I thought there would be. But there's not going to be enough room for a 4-pill. Unless they make 50 amp power supplies this size right here. But they seem to have a lot of hash noise, so yeah, this is perfect for a 2-pill, in my opinion. It's smaller. I like it. I like it a lot. It's a lot of heat sink for a 2-pill, too. You know, I don't know what the 1x2 looks like. I don't know if it's on the same heat sink or whatever, but I do like the 4-pill heat sink. Now, okay, so This will be in here. Switch will be on the top. Okay. And then you can either just solder to these or use the slip fit connectors on it. Same thing here. And I have those, so I'm probably going to opt out to use that. Just fine. I know 3Made was using these for a little while, like this, the receptacle, but it did not have an on-off switch. I think that's cool. It's got a lit on-off switch on it. So all you have to do is just reach to the back, turn it on. Now with that being said, get this out of the way. Let's get the board and sink out of the way. Let's look at the front of the cabinet. Now, it does have a provision for a variable and 3 1/4-inch holes, for one for light, one for the switch, and then one for another switch. So if you want to do SSB on it, you could. I prefer to do my SSB delay on a single switch down, but if I put a preamp in this, then the SSB delay is going to have to be on a separate switch. It really does need a megawatt power supply in it to be driven with a 2-pill being driven with 75 watts, perfectly fine, and probably about 25-30 watts SSB, single sideband. This is the back of the cabinet. You have a small opening here. It'd been nice if it would have just came out a little bit larger, but you know what? It's fine. Do not know why this hole is here, right here, but yeah, I mean, all in all, I am digging it, and I thank Fat Boy very much for having the incentive to do something like this. I wish Fat Boy would make a little bigger base cabinet that you could do like a 2x10 in. You know, it would just have to be a little bit deeper, not necessarily lengthwise, but a little bit deeper to where you could put make it a 2x10 or even a 2x12 cabinet, you know, just a little bit of a bigger cabinet, but not as big as where you have to use a 48-pill cabinet for base. I'm just talking about bases now. That would be really great, because you know, X-Force had them custom-made cabinets where you could do like 2x12s and 2x10s in a single base cabinet. You know, you could still get 6-7 supplies on this side. So anyway, I just want to do this review on this cabinet just in case anybody hasn't actually used it. This is the first one I have gotten. I'm going to build a 2-pill base out of it. I like the smaller size. I could do a transmit light here. with no SSB, and yeah, so that's what I want to do. I just want to do a review of the cabinet, let people see what's actually going on here. This just snaps right in, and of course this going on, which I think is pretty cool. Breathes up the front of the cabinet, and yeah, so that is friggin' awesome. Thank you, Fat Boy, for doing these kind of things. And alright, so we'll catch y'all later. Y'all don't get fooled too much today. And don't be too much of a prankster. Fat Cat Amps, I'm gone.